What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free. You already know. As you guys can see from that title, I got some new supplies for my phone case business, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Literally the first biggest thing I got, I'm gonna just spill the tea. I got a heat press. As you guys know in my old videos, I'm always complaining how old my heat press is, like that I had for years. So getting this brand new heat press, and it's so much bigger and nice, so I kind of want to show you guys that. Yeah, I just thought like a new heat press will be so beneficial to my business, because you guys know I've been like my own supplier for like a year now, so keeping up with the orders on that little heat press I had was too much. So we're gonna unbox this heat press. All right, you guys, so this is a heat press. It is, well, we'll get the measurements and everything once I open it up, but it's right here. It's actually 15 inches by 15 inches. It is from Vevor. The link for this will definitely be in the description box, so let's unbox it together. Y'all, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited as me. It is huge, which I needed a huge one, so I can definitely do like 3 or 4 cases at a time, which would be ideal. So I'm about to lift it out, and then we'll see how it really looks. Alright, you guys, so I finally got it out of the box. So let's unbox it and see. This handle already came out already. So this is how this handle looks. I don't know what it's for, but we'll see. Yes. So this is the handle. That's how it looks. Then we can open this up. Vevor package is so good, you guys. Right, this is how it looks. It is so cute, so nice and heavy duty. Oh my gosh. And I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but this is the company name right here, Vevor. And like I said, like the link in the description. The link for this is in the description box below, the exact link. But we're gonna test this out today and see if it's worth the hype. Y'all, this is so, when I tell y'all this ish is heavy, it's heavy. Alright, y'all, so this is how we looking. I was like playing with it real quick, but I'm about to take off this card. If it'll come off. And then plug this baby up. Guys, you guys see how huge this is? Like, I'm literally freaking out. Like, this is so huge. Oh my gosh. So first up here, as you guys can see, let me bring you guys a little closer. All right, so they send like a pamphlet when you get the heat press, so it has like different stuff you can make with them. So the first thing first, we're gonna be doing like the metal plate of you guys. Of course, you guys know that like phone cases have that metal plate, so that's what we're gonna be sublimating today. So it says for metal plate, use 180 to 200 degrees, and I think that must be like Celsius. So we're gonna try that. Never used these heat settings before, so we're gonna try that and see if it works perfectly for our phone case today. So I'm about to turn this baby on. y'all know I don't read directions, right? So I think, okay, there's a button on the side. Let me show you guys that button. You see it? It's red. So there's a button on the side, and then I'll just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see while I play around with these settings. Alright guys, so I was setting this, so right now it's to 356 Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 180 Celsius, like how they recommended in the pamphlet. So I'm just gonna press OK to set that, and then we're gonna set the timing. And then once I press OK for the second time, I'm able to set the timing. So we want 120 seconds. I put it to 122, but it's okay. So it's set to 122 seconds, and then I just press OK after that. And then it's still currently heating up, so right now it's at 288 Fahrenheit. We want it to be 356. So we're gonna let that heat up and then get our phone case ready to go into our new heat machine. Yeah. Alright y'all, so this is the phone case we're sublimating today. And I just had like a scrap design. This is a Trinidad and Tobago flag, if you guys don't know, but I had this scrap design, so that's what I'm really sublimating today. And the link for this metal case, of course, is in the description box below. This is for an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the phone I have, so I'll try it on my phone after we finish with this. So let's take the plastic off of this. Take this plastic off and then place it right on the design. You guys, I do so much sublimation phone case tutorials, like you guys already know the drift by now. Then let me grab my heat dispenser. You guys know I love this so much. I have this link in the description box as well. It's literally a lifesaver, like not having to cut, seriously, not having to cut tape anymore is amazing. So just I'm gonna insert like old videos of how my tape dispenser used to look before this, so you guys can know like this is a huge upgrade for me. So I just do like tape on 4 corners, and that should be sufficient enough. And then one more tape. Oh shit. Take that. So that is how we're looking right now. So let's check back on our heat press now. All right, I have to pull the bar down a little bit so you guys will be able to see my heat settings back there. Let's see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. Yep, so it's currently 356 Fahrenheit. So we're about to put our phone case in, and as soon as you shut this baby down, it's going to start automatically. So let's get that set up. All right, y'all, so Teflon sheets is not required, but I don't know, to keep this mat right here that came with it nice and clean and everything, I like to use my Teflon sheets just so like any excess sublimation ink that might be on it doesn't get on it. Y'all already know my Teflon sheets, but like I need to get some new ones. But I put one on the bottom and then one on the top. So just grab our case from over here. I'm gonna place it right in the center. Y'all look how big this is compared to the phone case. Like I can fit like maybe like, I'll say like maybe 7 cases in here. This is gonna definitely improve my production time for my phone case distance. And then I'm gonna place one on the top as well. Alright y'all, so it's all set up in here. I'm gonna put this baby down. It's supposed to start automatically, so let's see. Oh, y'all hear it? So let me zoom into the timer over here. Beep, beep, beep. Y'all can hear that. So it is done. So let's see how it looks, y'all. Oop. Let's see how it looks. It is done, y'all. So I'm about to take it out. Let's see how she looks. All right, so let me just take this off. So this is looking good so far, y'all. It's a little hot, so 1 second. But she looking good so far. So cute, so cute. It's sublimated perfectly, y'all. I'm not even gonna front with you. This sublimated perfectly, okay? So let me grab that. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put this. Look how good this looks. I hope the light is good for you guys. Like, it's so good. Alright, and you guys know, like, I got my cases from this website. It's definitely, the direct link is definitely in the description box below. So I'm about, oh, this was the iPhone 12 I was doing. Oh, this is the iPhone, sorry, this is the wrong case. Alright, I got the right case. So this is like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we're about to take that sticker off. I'm excited to put this on my phone, y'all. Sweet, sweet TNT. Somebody play the TNT song for y'all. And then you just put that on there. And it looks so good. Oh my gosh, this sublimated so well. And then I'm about to put it on my phone, y'all. iPhone 13 Pro Max I have. So we're about to put it on my phone. And look how good it looks. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, y'all, I would definitely recommend this heat press, especially because it came with the heat settings in the pamphlet book. And I love the fact that all I have to do, once I set my time I want, as well as the degrees, all I have to do is shut this down. And boom, that baby starts automatically. But make sure to just check out the description box below for the exact one I have. They sell so much sublimation things, so much sublimation heat press, different options as well. So make sure to check out the description box below. I have their Amazon storefront linked, so you guys can check out which one you want. If you want this direct one, I'll link the direct one as well. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching your girl video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you like my new heat press. As you guys know, like, the link is always in the description if you want to grab the same one I have. Honestly, Vevor is such a reliable company. I also had another sublimation heat press from them as well. I'm gonna show you guys in another video, so make sure you hit that link in the description box to get this heat press. But thanks you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye. I have a huge announcement. I am doing a giveaway, a sublimation starter pack giveaway that comes with all the supplies you need to make your very own phone case. Okay, I'm talking about the cases, sublimation cases, the paper, the ink, everything. Okay, so I only have 2 rules. The first rule, you must be following me on Instagram, and the second rule, you must be following me on my Pinterest. Both of those social media links are down below. If you search TechWithNath on Instagram with a H, N-A-T-H, and if you search TechWithNath on Pinterest as well, I should come up. But if you can't find it, the links are directly below. Okay, so once you finish those 2, make sure you comment done, so it can be easier to help pick one of you guys for this giveaway. Definitely. So I'm gonna give you guys, like, maybe, should I do 2 months or 1 month? I was thinking maybe at the end of summer I can pick someone. That way it gives you guys a lot of time to, you know, make sure you follow my social medias, and then it is a fair win. So I'll give you guys until like the end of summer, August. I'll definitely be picking a winner, and I'll contact you and everything and get your information. I'm gonna go live and pick the winner so you guys can, you know, share that moment with me. Period.